Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma code. Figma's Dev Mode is a powerful feature designed to bridge the gap between design and development. It allows developers to easily inspect design elements and extract ready-to-use code snippets. This significantly speeds up the handoff process, ensuring that designs are implemented accurately and efficiently across various platforms. You can find code for CSS, iOS, and Android, making your workflow much smoother. To begin, simply switch to Dev Mode by clicking the dedicated toggle located in the top right corner of your Figma interface. Once activated, select any design element on your canvas, such as a button or text box. The Inspect panel will then appear, showcasing its properties and corresponding code snippets. You can easily view and copy code for web, iOS, or Android, streamlining your development workflow significantly. Figma allows you to tailor the code output to fit your project's specific needs. You can select your preferred code language, choosing from options like CSS, Swift for iOS, or Kotlin for Android. Additionally, adjust measurement units, perhaps from pixels to rems, to align with your styling conventions. Configure component properties to match your development environment, ensuring seamless integration. Figma supports popular frameworks such as React and Vue, offering great flexibility. Once you have customized your code, copying snippets is as simple as one click, ready for immediate use in your development environment. You can also export assets directly from Dev Mode in various formats, such as SVG or PNG. Integrate design tokens to maintain consistent styling across your entire project. This process fosters efficient collaboration between designers and developers, ensuring a smooth and accurate design-to-code workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.